Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got an exciting unboxing that's been 2 years in the making. Let's get into it, guys. Hi guys, today the unboxing is quick, but we also gotta do an install. I had already opened this, believe it or not. I ordered this back in February 23rd, 2022. This comes from Archer Component.
Of that Archer's Component.
As you guys know, on my Big Al I have the Archer's wireless shifting system, and they had a great shifting controller, great response. I really like it, but then they came out with this, and as soon as I saw it, I ordered it. Since it's so small, it got lost for about 2 years. Well, over 2 years it got lost. But this is the shifter. It kind of resembles the SRAM axis. It has great click noises to it. It comes with the clamp, and this is their pedal remote installation guide. I mean, it's self-explanatory. Their app is awesome, way better than the SRAM Axis app. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Let's install it. I'll pair it up with my D1X and then take it out of the trail for a little test drive. To remove it, guys, you're gonna need a 4mm hex. The clamp doesn't open all the way, so you're gonna have to remove your grips. Take this off. My race face uses a 3mm hex, and I have an end cap that's also bolted down. It's a 3mm. One of the beautiful things about wireless shifting is that a couple of bolts and you're done. That's how easy it is to remove it. This is the old controller. It's been through a couple of falls, a little crack there. I think that was just me over torquing it. The new controller has a 3D printed quality to it. The clamp's exactly the same. It has a micro USB port to charge it, which is good. You don't have to take out the batteries like on the old design. It looks really nice. It looks durable, good quality. To set up, guys, simple Archer Component app. What you're gonna do? Oh, I forgot to turn on my controller. I'll be right back. Okay, I turned it on. Now it's gonna pair. Let's see the instructions. Okay, so I turned on the shifter, set it up with the app. Now we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna pair the new remote. Once you get to this step, guys, you have to go turn off your shifter. Then you turn on the controller with the on button right here, and they'll start blinking. Once they start blinking orange, they're gonna be paired. That's a little blinking light. As soon as I turn off the shifter, it should be paired. Alright, guys, we're out on the trail. We're at MTB. It's a little trail in Brownsville, Texas. It's pretty flat, so we won't be testing the shifting under load, but we know the D1X is capable. We're here for the pedal shifter. just finished installing it, and right off the back with the positioning, I can tell it's a lot more comfortable. It's gonna be more comfortable to shift. It's more ergonomic than the previous one. The previous one was good. It was great till this one came out. This is far better. I already did a lap. I want to test it out. Oh. And the shifting is, you press it, you shift. There's no delay. Any delay you have is the same or as near as a mechanical one, shift cable actuated one. Archer really has their stuff together. Overall, guys, Archer knocked it out of the park again. Great products they sell. I love my D1X trail. I wouldn't trade it for anything else. It makes for the best drivetrain ecosystem you could have. It pairs with anything XT, SRAM. You can combine and it'll work. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.